Multiplex Construction Company Limited omukwezi kwa gatano 2021 ikakwasibwa omurimo gwo kutereza enguuto ezirumu eyabwa kosa bushwekere erukuza ahambuga yitware rya Kabare hamwe n'enkuuto eyakatuna Kabare Mbarara. Enguuto ezi nezo kumaraho billion 21 n'obucweka mushanju kurga omu banka y'ensi yona. Omukwezi kwa gatano 2022 nibwo contractor yabirashemerire kumara omurimo ogu bitatwire nashaba okongezebwayo kandi arukuhebwa okushaba oku. Abebembezi nibagira ngo wakwasibwe omurimo ogu obwahati yahika habucweka 26 kandi tabari kureba contractor arukumarira omurimo ogu. Ebaruha ehandikirwe ebiro 15 okwa gatano omubebembezi kurgo wa Patricia Achan Okiria omuhwezi wa IGG neshaba abebembezi kurekeraho entebe kanisa eyibatwire bine ngo bitu bakore ekirukubasika kampuneji egumize mu rukora. Emmanuel Sentaro byamugisha meya wa Kabare nagira ngo kuragira kwa IGG kugwire.
IGG karishorisho abaze aperereze abo kuba egi contract eyide reports yiki kurugo mu ministry kurugo mu municipality kurugo mu contract mu consultant
byamugisha yayoreka ngo kampuneji no bakujya obwire burukwingana ki terukubasa kumara omurimo ogu.
The contractor has a very high turnover of project engineers, resulting in lack of technical command. The director of the company, who is also the authorized representative for the joint venture contractor, has taken up almost all the technical and administrative functions of the contract.
Ogu nahamya ngo nikishisha kushanga ebitongore bya government birukuremesa omurimo gushikire omumbera zitahikire nkezi.
After getting this chance of implementing a presidential pledge, the contractor we are having is seen to be protected by some of the structures of government, some officials from government, who should be, by the way, pushing this contractor to execute the works and the finishing time.
Contractor nawe yayoreka enshonga ezibaremise kukora enguuto ezikurungi.
It's a pity that the issue of NEMA regarding the stone quarry has not been mentioned, and it has never been appreciated as a cause of delay. Even when we have been getting extensions, it has never been looked into, despite the fact that it is a compensation event in the contract.
Enguuto nke yabwa kosa hamwe na bushwekwire omuri Kabare municipality nezimwe ahankuuto ezirukukirayo kuba kubi ahabwe mbera eyizirumu okukira munonga omu bwire bw'enjura. Gasha kwa Job namanya omuri Kabare.